Hello again, if you've been here a while, and welcome to all of the new people that have joined recently. It's pretty mad. Yeah, I know. It's mad, isn't it? Right, folks, I'm gonna do my thing, and then after that, we shall tackle the day. Oh, tonight's video is edited. That is uploaded. That'll be yesterday's video for you, of course. Doing pretty well with it. I've, even though the videos are only sort of 10-15 minutes long, what did that take me? About 3 hours to do the process, which isn't bad, really. Not bad at all. I can deal with that. Yeah, the money is going up a little bit, which is good. Should just about be able to get a tank of fuel with it at the end of the month or the end of next month. But you know, that's fine. I'm not doing it for the money. This whole daily, I don't want to say vlog. I hate that goddamn word. It's just, that word is like poison in my ear hole. We'll call it a daily, I don't know, video, diary, whatever. But I'm doing it because I think it's lacking from the van life world and the van community, because there's so much bullshit on YouTube. Ultimately, it's the only way to describe it. There is so much of it. You know it. You all know it. It don't take a genius to work out that living in a van doesn't automatically mean sun bikini tits everywhere and diving off the side of vans into turquoise water. I mean, you can have that, you know, that is a part of it, but that's probably 10%. There's a lot more to it than that. It's life. Like, you still, there's the rest of the 90% isn't on bloody YouTube. So that's what I'm trying to show you, just by keeping the camera rolling. Obviously I can't just leave the camera rolling 24 hours a day, because you'd probably all shoot yourselves. But yeah, just trying to get, you know, little snippets, even if it's mundane stuff, just to give you an insight, really, for the people that don't do it. I imagine a lot of people that actually live in vans probably won't be that interested, because, well, they're already living the life, aren't they? So why do they want to watch another van person emptying their toilet off something? Like, I struggle to watch van stuff now. I watch a few bits and bobs of like my mates' videos, just because I'm watching it, you know, like to see what they're up to, as opposed to getting an idea for their life and that kind of thing. I'm just trying to show you it all, the good and the bad, so that you can make an informed decision to whether this life is for you or not. So yeah, I don't really know what I'm on about here, but I hope you're enjoying the daily videos. The problem with winter, as you know, is I don't really have a lot of time to do stuff, because the weather's, it gets dark early. But I'm going to go do this job today, because this is really pissing me off. So this is just a cheap reverse camera kit. You get it with a little screen. I used to have one in my old van, but I don't need that. I just need this camera. My two cameras on the back, that I have the monitor in the cab for when I'm driving, only the straight down one is working, the other one's just dead. It's probably got water in it or something, but I'm an idiot for mounting it where I mounted it under the lower step. Was not smart. So just going to try and plug this in and see what the difference is, because this one doesn't have the infrared LEDs on it, which is good, I hope. And we're going to test this, because them bloody infrared LEDs, as soon as you get a couple of speckles of rain on the lens, they reflect off that. You can't see shit out of the camera, so it's useless. So I'd sooner have a slightly darker image and actually be able to use it. So we'll see what happens. This is still supposed to be night vision, but I guess it will just pump up the ISO or whatever. Actually, I think this might have infrared LEDs on it. I think these may be infrared things here, I don't know. But either way, they're not going to interfere with the lens. So let's go have a go. So I'm going to head to my mum's to do this, because it's not very far away, and that's the kind of ground conditions we're working with. So not really a fan of that. So as you can see, this is the current situation. That's my down facing camera. You can just see the edge of the jerry can there. If I switch to camera 2, we get that. So yeah, that's not ideal. So first job I'm going to do is literally just try and swap this over. God damn it. This is going to be more of a pain than I was expecting. Yeah, so the metal inside this. Changing this cable isn't going to be that easy. How do they work? Video. 2 signals. Go just cut this. That's what I'm dealing with. The end of the... yeah, it's just knackered. Oh, it's just a black and a red. Is that it? Oh, that thing's good. That is very good. Now I've got smaller wires. Okay, that was worth £5. So, if that's just black and red, then surely I could just sack these cables off, these connections. Oh no, now we've got black and yellow. No worries. I would assume that black goes to black. So that's what I've done for the minute. Back into Bodge City, just to see if this camera's even working. So that's the top camera, you can see the things. Switching camera, nothing. Okay, rather than mucking around, what I've done, cut one of the new cable ends off the other camera out the box, put that on and put the new camera on. So that will also determine if there's bad earth. So here we go. Still nothing. Got it. Found the problem. It was the power lead. Because if I remember, yeah, putting that camera on the bottom there was an afterthought. Because it used to be on the front. I put one on the front for some reason, no idea why. And I think I was in a rush when I did it. I ran a little thin wire for the power right down there from the front, and I didn't put anything around it, so it's gone rotten. So I literally just stripped the end off, cleaned it up, and now we're working. But that's a good thing, and I like that the video cable, I can just cut the end off and connect it, because that means I can now move that camera and put it on the roof. Look at this, getting to a job before we've even finished. We're out of light. And the little camera on top there, just coming through the door sill. Yeah, them wires aren't going to stay there, obviously. The reason I've left it all sort of temporary is because the camera has these stupid lines on it, and there's no wires to cut or anything to make them go away. Already, how much clearer that is than what I had before. So look at that. That's my current view from the other camera. Brilliant. There we go, I'll just give it a quick wipe. The stupidest design ever, putting that glass over the front. Look at that. I'll be changing all the cameras for different ones. Alright, now for the real test. So it's actually dark. So let's see. That's what we're getting from there. It actually looks better on the camera than it does in person. And that's the other one. You can't compare it, can you? So much better, folks. Look at this. There's cars behind and the lights aren't blowing out the camera. I can still see fine. That was brilliant. I'm just calling in Marie's to steal a load more firewood. I need a second opinion so people know I'm not talking shit. So that versus that. That's the new one.
Wait, what? Oh, f me, yeah.
Yeah. I've gone for a different spot, one of the other ones. Pretty nice view in the morning. Well, it's okay. See, oh, look at that beam. The mini beast. One of these days, that's going to be green as well, with big tyres on it. One of these days. What the hell? One of the beers has got a hole in it. How does that even happen? Ah, shit.
What's that, Eddie?
The wind was blowing the flame the other way.
Hi.
Oh, we can have some lettuce in the wraps.
Oh, I'm thinking if you have done it or not.
I've not. It's just people like that are just fucking idiots.
Yeah, I know.
I don't want. I don't think anything bad would happen to us. It's just if they're going to smash a window or slash a tyre or something, which is very likely.
If they did that, like, do you know how much of a trouble that is for us?
I know, that's why I don't want it to happen.
Can't hear them now.
They're stupid there.
What if my light does come on?
We'll just get in and lock the door. Yeah, they're outside the car. Oh my god, I just done the funniest thing ever.
Oh, there's loads of nozzle on the floor, honey.
Yeah, it's scumbags. Oh, I wish I'd have got that on camera. Shit.
Honey's chasing them away.
Oh, it's so funny. So we were just going to move because them lot, there was 2 cars full of chavs all doing bloody drugs down here. And they were here for like half an hour, so we were going to move basically. I got Marie to sneak to her van without setting off any lights or anything. As soon as she was in, I started my van up and threw every single light on and was revving it. And literally within half a second, these guys in the car, wheels span off, obviously shitting them pants, thinking I was going to kill them or something. So I chased them down the road. I just went bombing after them down the road with all of this lot on. And yeah, so I don't think they'll be coming back there for a little while. I'm sorry I didn't get that on film. Oh, god damn it. How good was that?
That was pretty funny.
I'm fuming I didn't record
Mate,
it.
if that was me, I would poo my pants.
I just hope they don't come and see us up here and brick the windows or
The
something.
thing is, though, now they will recognise at least like one of our vans.
Yeah.
So that's not a good thing.
Mm.
Don't feel
I
weird.
don't want to be around here anymore. Such knobheads everywhere. Doggers the other night, chavs tonight. So right now we are off to find somewhere else to park. It's fucking 11:30 at night. It was pretty funny actually, that was. But the problem is, because it's like yobby kids, I know what they're like because I used to be. What will happen is they'll have gone off shitting themselves, adrenaline, all of that. And as soon as that wears off, it'll be, oh, go on, let's go knock him out, let's go find him. That's what people are like. Not that I'm scared of them, I just don't want anything to happen to the van. I just don't want like a brick coming through the van window or something in the middle of the night. Plenty of burnt out cars and stuff around here, so you just don't know what people are going to do. They're young, they're stupid. they don't understand what consequences mean. So yeah, don't want to take the risk, so we're going to go find somewhere else. They left a right mess as well. They're doing that NOS stuff. There must have been 20 odd canisters all on the floor in that lay-by. It's a bit of a shame. Gone for a rarity for me, a residential street park up.